So yeah, we're getting ready to go venture out in
the rain.
The rain. It really doesn't show up very well on video, but it's raining pretty hard out there.
Oh yeah.
Apparently I look pretty lame right now. I'm wearing a jacket that I've had since, I was in grade 5 and I'm now in grade 10. So that's about 5 years that I've had this jacket for.
Yeah. You look lame.
So I haven't worn it for like 3 of those 5 years though. Here you go, Megan.
Okay.
Show how gay I look.
Yeah. Super gay right there. Okay, we're heading out the door.
Looks nice. It looks nice. You like it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I should probably leave a note. I just realized that.
Yeah, probably. We are going to leave a note for Jayme's mother. And for personal sakes, we will not record the note. You never know. You never know what she says to her mama.
Yeah, I say some pretty crazy things. Mom. Megan. And
I need to use salty.
okay. I better add those minutes onto my phone too.
Yes.
We'll be back. 3. There. Okay, I'm gonna throw your batteries out.
What?
Throw in your batteries out. If you start heading. Entertain the camera. I'll be back.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, waiting for Jayme to come back. Just kind of recording myself. Megan and I went for, ooh, somebody's coming in.